Hey everyone. So last time a student pointed out to me that it might be useful to share with the whole class how can we view cross sections. So I will quickly show you how you can use an application called Sigma from Brookhaven's National Nuclear Data Center. I will share my screen. And you can use your favorite search engine to search for Sigma. You know, the sigma is the symbol you use for cross sections. BNL for Brookhaven National Lab, and that should be enough. And yes, the first hit, it gives you the application. And as you see here, the website shows you the periodic table where you can pick up your elements. Above that, there are different versions of nuclear data libraries which are available. We will use ENDFB 7.1, which is the database maintained by the National Nuclear Data Center at Brookhaven. And there are other libraries than neutron reactions that you can choose, but we will focus on neutron reactions. So here we can pick up any element of interest. In the homework, we had a problem about aluminum, so let's pick up aluminum, which is the proton number 13. And if we click on it, it gives us all the isotopes. And for aluminum, we have only one isotope here, that is 27. So we click that isotope, and here we have all sorts of cross-section data which we can plot. So let's start with the total neutron reaction cross-sections. You see N total. You click on plot, and it plots you the total cross section. So here you see the thermal region, the resonance region, and the fast region. You can use your mouse to emphasize an area of the plot to zoom in. So if we want to zoom on all these resonances, we can do it like so. We can zoom in more and zoom in more. And you see the plot zooms out. On the right-hand side, you see the x-axis range in energy and the y-axis range in barns. And you can go from log to linear. You can change these values. You can change normalizations and so on. You can, after, let's say we go to linear range and we click update, and now it's replotted in linear scale. You can add this plot to the plot card, which will be useful later. And we'll go back, and let's say we want to plot the elastic cross-section as well. So this is the second row in the cross-section table. We click plot, and this is our elastic cross-section. We can do much the same things, but I just want to add it to the plot card. Then going back, let's say that the gamma capture cross-section is here. This is the N gamma, right? So again, we click on plot. It shows us the N gamma cross-section, and we add it to the plot card again. And now we can go back, and here is the plot card. So we can click here for the plot card. And now we have all these three cross-sections in the plot card, meaning we can see all of them at the same plot. So if we zoom in the range of interest, say here, let's zoom out a little bit. So we see that in once we are past the thermal region above, say, 1 electron volt, the total cross-section of aluminum 27 is dominated by elastic scattering until we get into the fast region, the very fast region here. And you see these cross-sections with different colors. The blue one is the total one, the green one is the anelastic, you see it on the right-hand side here, and the red one is the gamma capture. The other thing you can do is that you can download the data, and if you want to plot them yourself. So let's look at, say, uranium. You click on uranium. This is the element 92, And here are all the isotopes of uranium for which we have cross section. So we will look at uranium-235. And we have, again, the table of all sorts of cross sections available. And let's plot, for instance, the total fission here and total fission. So this is the total fission cross sections of uranium-235. And here you can click view evaluate the data. You click view evaluate the data and you can download it as a zip or a text file. You click text, you see you have a nice table which gives you the energy in electron volts, comma, cross-section bars. So these are all the data points in the evaluated nuclear data files. And you can save it and you can plot it with your favorite plotter if you want to play with it yourself. And so again, if you click the view evaluated data on the plot of the cross section, and here we are showing total fission cross section of uranium-235, you can download either zipped or just a bare text file, the evaluated data yourself and plot it. So that's all. Have fun with the Sigma Up from Brookhaven's National Laboratory Data Center website. Bye, everyone.